So good morning everyone. Welcome to Core Java session. Already we have completed Core Java, but yesterday onward we started Core Java interview programs. So yesterday what we seen is this program, this four program we have seen. Okay, to reverse the string without inbuilt function, to reverse the string using our own logic. Okay, swap number using third variable, swap two numbers without using third variable. Today our program is write a Java program to count the number of word in string using hash map. Okay. So what is the expectation? Means maybe interviewer will give you a program. Okay. And he will ask you to write a program to count the number of words in a string using hash map. Okay. One second. Okay. So let me open my STS. And most probably this question they may ask you in if you are having ID in your laptop, it's fine. But even though if you don't have ID, they will ask you to write in Notepad or Notepad plus plus. Okay. So now what is our question, guys? What is our question? Write a Java program to count the number of words in a hash map. Let me copy this statement here. Let me paste here. Write a Java program to count the number of words in a string. Means there is a word, there are multiple words as a string in a. So first we need to do one string required, str. Some word is required, right? Okay. This is very good session. Let's say I am typing this sentence. Some string he will give. So what is the expectation? Count the number of words. Okay, number of words, better number of characters. We can say number of characters. Okay. So if you see in this complete sentence, how many T is there? One. How many H is there? One. How many time I came? Here one time, here two time. Means I comes two times. How many time S come? One, two, three, four, and five. So this is what we are supposed to print. Okay. Now, so how to start with this? See, when we have this word, ultimately thing is we need to remove the spaces. Spaces also, how many times spaces is there? One, two, three, and four times spaces there. Okay, no. So let's first remove the space. How to remove the space? How split. So what is the space? This double quote is space. This double quote is space. So now Control Shift L, we can take the return type. So we are getting an array. What we are getting now? Every time whenever we are doing, if you don't understand also, so always remember, if you don't understand, just debug that. Just debug that. Maybe I need to keep some statement here. str. See, str is holding this complete sentence. Now, if I will run this split, I need to check what is in split. So we need to go next line, but there is no next line. So better let me create one hash map because we required hash map also. So I will create hash map object. Hash map. Hash map. Uh, what is it? What type I can give? Integer, because we need to count. For that count is required means integer. And what we need to calculate string, or better string integer. It's also fine. String, comma, integer. Okay. So this map, hash map, we are keeping, you know what is map? To hold key and value. Okay. The new hash map, new hash map, new hash map, string, comma, integer, string, comma, integer, string, comma, integer. Import is required. Control Shift O. Save this. Now let me do F6 now. Let me stop this. Debug as Java application. Debug as Java application. Okay. Now, if we go here, F6 we will do. What is split is doing? It is taking some expression and it is returning something string of array, right? Come back. Let me keep debugger here. Now, see everything splitted, right? As a char array, sorry, string array, split. If you mouse over on str is taking as a sentence. This is very good decision. When you mouse over on split is coming as a string array. So see square bracket open, square bracket close. Everything inside this coming comma separated. See, this space is also one character. So after this comma, I, S. So everything is converted into what? String array. Now, what is our requirement? Java program to count the number of characters in string. So till now we are good. Split we did. Split we did. Hash map. Now what we need to do, we need to check the length of this variable. This variable is holding all the character and we will apply a one by one logic. Using hash map is required, right? So we will use that map also. So for loop is required, right? First of all, for loop is required. So I will take int x equal to 0. It will start from x equal to 0. What should be the condition from where it should begin? What should be the condition? Whatever this string split is having the length, that length we will check. Till that it will run. Split dot length. Split dot length, comma, I plus plus. I plus plus. Means what is this condition? What is this condition? Split dot length. Sorry, this is x. Okay, better way I will take I. I am taking variable I equal to, it will start from 0. Till what condition it will run? Whenever I is less than length of this array. If you mouse over, how many character is there? That character count it will take that length. If there are two character 0, 1, so it will there. For example, any word is there. Amit is there. Let's say Amit is there. Amit space is how many character it's having? A 1, M second, third, fourth, even space is fifth, I is sixth, and say S is seventh. Right? So this is what Amit is having how many characters? 7. So similarly, this word is having some characters, right? So till that, but position wise, A is what? 0 position. M is what? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, and S position is 6th. Right? So position wise, what is the position? Position wise, it is having position wise, it is having 6 character. But length wise, how much is the length? 7. Okay? 0 to 6 means position wise 0 to 6. Okay? 0 to 6. Now we have map. This loop will run how much time? From 0 to till length of the string array. Okay? Now we will do map dot contain key. We have one method map dot contain key. See, this kind of program comes with practice only. Okay? Object key. What is the object keys, guys? Object key is split of I. What I am doing, try to observe. I. Okay? This is done. This is done. Map dot contain. This will be a control X if condition. This is our if condition. Inside if condition, I am placing this. Okay? Now, if map contains keys, okay? Map contain keys. 1 second. Map contain keys. Whatever the value will come, it will go inside. Otherwise, what it will do? It will come out of the loop. Else. I am using else. If does not contain, then it will do something. If it contain, it will do something. So what? Let me add map dot put inside this split of array of I. Try to focus, guys. Okay. Try to focus, guys. What I am trying to do here. If map contains split of I, means whatever the character is coming, whatever the split of 0, split of 1, split of 2, split of 3, that position the character will come. If map contains key, because in keys, string and integer, we are comparing string. Try to observe what we are trying to do. We are trying to compare string key with this string, right? We are comparing. That's what. So in this for loop, what we are doing for I equal to 0, that is fine. Focus on this condition. Map dot contains keys. So whatever, if this map will keep on adding na. So we don't want double time it should contain. So that's why first time it will come here only, because map is empty. Map don't have anything. When first time this loop will come, if block will come, there is nothing in map. So definitely else block will come. But second time onward, what will happen? The map will hold this data. So again, it is going to check the data. If map contain key, for example, first time, what will come? T will come, right? This is very good session. So from this, T will come here, right? Zero position means what? T. Map contain T. If find, it will do some condition. It will apply some logic. Otherwise, it won't. Let me write some logic in if block. If block. Now, in map dot get map dot get split map dot get split array of I. Let's take return type alt shift L. So this is our integer. Let me take as count. This is our count. If it contain, then we will have to count na. We have to count, right? So this is count. Here also we are adding some map. Here also I am adding some map. I will again repeat one more time. Put. What is our string? Split of I. What is the count? Perfectly fine. Try to observe what we are trying to do, and I will print here map. System dot out dot println. Okay. Now I am keep printing map. Now try to observe output. Then we will see any correction required or not. Are you getting, guys? Are you getting? D equal to 1. D equal to 1. How many times D is there in this? Only one time. D equal to 1. How many times E is there? In very, only one E is there. G equal to 1. G is how many times in the word good? G is one time. Similarly, S, something mistake is done or what? S should be 4 times, right? Let's see what is the problem. S equal to 1. Then capital T equal to 1. V equal to 1. Y equal to 1. Let's debug this program. If any challenge is there, we can rectify that. Try to observe what is happening first of all. See, always debug is a good option. Split. In the string dot split, we are converting that complete string in a comma separated and holding in a string array. So that's why everything is coming string related as a comma separated. We created one hash map. Now we have to add data in map na. And then once we add the map, then we will see. Now next, go f dot split. Try to observe split that length. Split is nothing but array name. Don't get confused. Split is variable name, which is holding the array string array. Okay. That's why split is nothing but variable name. So don't consider that this is a different thing. How many characters are coming, guys? Split dot line 25. Split dot 25. Let's count this. Let's count this. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, right? So that's why. How many time loop we want? Whatever the length of the string is there till that moment. Otherwise, if the length is 25, it will 25 time it will run. If it is a 26, dynamically the value is coming. Okay? And every time first value is 0. First value is 0. Okay? It will go. What it will check, guys? Map contains key. What is split of I of 0? Let's see. Select that, Control Shift I. It contains T, right? It contains T. But where is the map? This is the map. This is the map. Here map, empty map is created. From this part to this part, did we add anything in the map? If we did not anything in the map, then definitely map did not contain any key and value. We are adding some data in map in this line and in this line. But very first time the loop started, there is no key and value, right? So map, when I will mouse over in map, see map is empty. It means this line will become false. If you do, let me cross this line. That's why it coming into where else blocks. Control Shift I. False. It become false because map don't contain any key, but split contain T. Split contain split of first position, split of 0 contain T. So map contains key. It is checking the key is T or not. So definitely there is no key na in map because first time the map is empty. That's why else it is coming here. Now try to observe what we are doing here. This is fine. This is fine. Int count map dot get split of I, that is also fine. Map dot put split of I. Count plus 1, guys. What is the mistake, guys? We will see. I will tell you. Everything is fine. Just where is our mistake? I will show you. Now in else black, what we are doing? If nothing is there, add that time. Now this time T will add in the map. See, observe. When I do F6, I will mouse over on a map. See, what is map? T equal to 0. T earlier it was 0. But now first time we added T equal to 1. See, map contain key and value na. Key and value. Key is what type string? That what else block is containing at 0 position. What is mean 0 position T? So this is key and this will become 1. Second time. I am doing second times. Now let me do what is the length. Now this time it will Control Shift I. It is still 25. Okay. Now, but what is the value of I? 1. The moment I will become 24, 25, this will become false. Currently it is what? See, it is true, right? So loop will continuously, this loop will continuously be in the, it will run, right? Loop. So now I value is 0 to 1 become. Now guys tell me, when I mouse over, what is the Z? This is T0 position. What is that first position? H is at first position. Now first position. Now tell me, again this map will check. Let me map. This time because of first loop, map contain T equal to 1. But whether this contain key or not? Control Shift I. It contain H. So again, map holds some key contain T, but it is checking map keys and this value. Both are still not matching because map contain what? What is the key now? What is the key now? T. T. When I mouse over on map, what is the value? T. When I'm checking whether map contain key, what key you are expecting? Hey key. I am checking this value, Control Shift I. But I am having H. Do you think T equal to H? No, na. So again it will false and this else will come. See, F6 map. So second time map is again we are going to add map dot put. Map dot put method is to add data in the map na. First time we added T equal to 1. That's why it is showing. Now if I will mouse over and do F6, now I will mouse over, see, T equal to 1 added, H equal to 1 added. Okay. Again, what is the value of I incremented? See, I do F. I have become what? I become 2. So 2 is I value is 2. But what is the split dot length? 25. So 2 is less than 25. True. So now, if condition map is having two key now, T equal T and H. There are two keys. One is T and H. But this time when I is 2, means which position? I is which position? 2 position. See, split. So this 0 position is 2, H position is 1, second position is I. Okay, fine. So map contain what key? T and H. Do map contain I? No, na. But this contain what data? See, Control Shift I. It contains I. This part contain I and map contain what key? T and H. Is I equal to T or H? No, na. So this will again fail. It will come again in else block. See, again we are adding whatever this H is there, we are adding the value. Now, see, I will do mouse over. Third time key value added, T equal to 1, T equal to 1, H equal to 1, I equal to 1. Okay. But where is our problem? Again, see, problem will come where when I will go from repeated character. Till now, this is fine. See, T is one time, H is one time, I is one time, S is one time. But the moment again one more I will come. So it will that time I is there. That condition will true. So it will go inside. But count should increase na for that particular character. But we did not add count plus 1. We added only count. So every time it is taking same value. That's why. Okay. Now let me run this one loop so that this word I also run and S is also run. Let's see what is map. Let me run one more time so that it should cross S. Then I will show you the difference. Now, guys, tell me. Now already after 5 round of how many values contain? S, T, H, I equal to 1. How many time is there? It means map contain one key which is having I. Okay. And split. Now condition will come. Let's see what is the value. Control Shift I. Split of array of I is also contain what? I. And map also contain I. This time it will go inside this loop. See, I will do F6. See it enter na? Because what happened? Map contain one key that is contain that hold one key. I. Contains key means it is going to check in complete map whether any key is having that's the value which is coming inside this. So yeah, map contain one of the key. S is there, T is there, H is there, I is there. The contain key will compare with every key and value. So key is going to compare with this. What is the key here? Control Shift I. What is coming here now? I is coming. It means I is also available in map. So this condition true. That's why it come inside this loop. Now I will do F6. But the problem here is, see, it will do its work. It will do its work. But what is our result, guys? Still I equal to 1. I equal to 1. Why? Because when we are adding also, it is not taking. So we need to plus 1. If it is repeated, whatever the current count, plus 1. Second time, it's coming plus 1. Third time, same character coming plus 1. That was the mistake. Let me terminate this program and now run this program. See guys, S is coming 5 times, right? How many times S is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hope you are good. How many spaces are there? One space between these and is. Second space between is and very. One space between very and good. And one space between good and session. How many? 4 spaces. So see, Yeah, guys, can you hear me now? Hello? My network was disconnected. Can you please talk to me now? I unmute yourself. Hello?
Yes,
Mangesh, Rahul,
yes, sir.
are you comfortable with this program?
Yes,
Okay. I will share this program. See, why I am taking this kind of program because you should be comfortable such kind of program practice. Okay. Tomorrow also I will take couple of two program I will take tomorrow. Okay. Tomorrow I will take one program, write a program to iterate hash map using while loop and advanced for loop. And one more program I will take tomorrow. So
yes,
30 minutes we will cover two program. Okay. So you guys like 4 5 days you will understand what level of what kind of program you are asked interview may ask, then you will practice accordingly, right?
yes,
Okay. But see, whatever the core Java knowledge we have learned, that is they will definitely ask. But this way they will understand, right? By this program you are able to write. In this program, what is they will understand, you will know hash map. How to what is array, they understand. In this map, what is for loop, what is if else, this thing they will get make sure by this program you are able to. And more is what is your understanding, how your logical level is there. That's why they will give such program in interview just to test your skill. Not only theory, such program you should expect. So please,
yes.
whatever program I'm taking, please keep on practice. Once we are good after 3 4 days, 3 4 days, okay, then you will understand how to prepare for interview program question also. Okay?
Sir, can we take here count plus plus instead
Now
of
we can take count plus plus also, no
it
problem.
means same now?
Right. It means same. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, okay guys.
Please
Tomorrow
upload
we'll
this.
yeah,
Upload
yeah,
this.
recording will be there. A
Okay, okay.
playlist is there, interview question playlist.
Thanks.
You just watch this recording and keep on practicing. But you guys keep on joining. Otherwise, if people won't join, I won't take. So please join the session.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Keep on joining. For 30 minutes, you can join, right?
Yes.
The moment I will find people are not joining, I won't take. Okay.